Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how I make my chipotle, spicy chipotle salsa. So I'm gonna need the blender. And then I'm gonna be using one of these. It's La Costena Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Okay, and this is the small one. Look, it's a 3.7 ounce. And then I'm gonna be pouring it in here. It looks small, but it's super spicy. I'm gonna be using some mayo. It's just regular, real mayo, disque, with no high fructose syrup. So just regular mayo from H-E-B. Guys, I bought organic mayo at one point. Oh my God, it tastes so bad. So I'm not gonna be using organic mayo. I don't use everything organic, guys. Like I try. So I'm gonna be pouring some mayo in here. And now I'm gonna be using some original Philadelphia. I'm not gonna use all this block. I added my water. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Okay, now that I blended in my ingredients, this is what it looks like. It's like super orange. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in this pot. This is, oh, I think it was too small. This is the consistency that we like. And it should be, I think. This tastes good with sushi, with wraps, like spinach chicken wraps, which I'm gonna be making today. And it's good with salads, with shrimp tacos. So you can use it for a lot of salads. I'm just giving you some, for a lot of food. So I'm just giving you ideas so you guys can use them. Está bien rico.